Hi, I'm Rita Zahara. It's nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you a delicious example of how fruits are being used in Malay desserts. And now I'm going to start. In a saucepan, put in water and sugar. You don't have to bring it to a boil. Just put it together just to make sure that the sugar dissolves in the water. Once the sugar is dissolved, then you will add in the coconut milk. Something very easy to whip up just for your guests, especially those who are durian lovers. Surprise them with this traditional recipe from my family. Okay, the sugar is dissolved now, so I'm going to add the coconut milk. Again, do not bring it to a boil, just enough to make it warm and simmer. It's a very creamy kind of dessert. And once you mix it together, the durian, the texture becomes really thick and flavorful. So do not bring it to a boil, just enough, simmer. And add the pandan leaves. And I usually like to put pandan leaves in our cooking. So for this particular dessert, just let it simmer so that you get the pandan leaves to infuse with the santan and the coconut milk. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes. It looks something like this. And once I take it off the fire, the color is going to change. You're going to add the palm sugar because it's really hot. And once you put in the palm sugar, it starts to melt. And you can see that the color starts to change. And it's really up to you how sweet you want it to be. Once you think it's about just right, just for you, the sweetness, you can remove the palm sugar according to your liking. I'll stir for a bit longer. And then I'll show you exactly how my family likes it, the kind of color and texture we are looking at. I'm going to remove one of the palm sugar and leave the other one inside. So this is just about right, but because sometimes you put in the ice cubes, then it becomes a bit too diluted. So you may want to leave the palm sugar a little bit longer, so that, bearing in mind that you may put ice cubes in the end. So the sweetness should be just about right. Okay, I think this is good. And then I remove the palm sugar. Put in the durian and then let it soak for a bit. You can break it up inside, and then parts of the durian is about to break apart in the dessert, and then the flavor will all just come out. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to leave it for about a minute, let it just blend in, and then I'm going to put it into the serving dish. It's about ready right now, so I'm just going to put into the serving dish. Put the durians in. It's for one person. And then scoop up some of that lovely gravy and just pour over. Serve with a bit of ice cubes. You can serve hot or cold, but I prefer to have it cold. And there you go, Santan durian.